This week on What's in the Warehouse, we've got the Flexzilla X1 Blow Gun Xtreme Flo Safety Nozzle. Looking for a blow gun to help you get the job done? The Flexzilla X1 Blow Gun with Xtreme Flo Safety Nozzle amplifies airflow to maximize cleaning power. Worried about control? Don't. A variable flow trigger provides precise control airflow, while the silicone-free lubricant prevents surface contamination during use. Constructed of lightweight, durable, aircraft-grade aluminum, this ergonomically designed blowgun and its components meet or exceed OSHA standards. Combine this blowgun with Flexzilla's 5-piece adapter kit, modify its reach with extensions, or add a chip guard for extra protection against blowback. The applications are endless. What are you waiting for? Grab a Flexzilla blowgun today.